In this video, I will show you how you can use AirDrop on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Now to do that, first of all, just open Settings on both of your Apple devices, and under Settings, just tap on General. Now under the General Settings, just tap on AirDrop, and under the AirDrop settings, just select everyone for 10 minutes. Now after you do that, now just go to your home screen. Now on your iPhone 15, just select the file which you want to share. For an example, I'll select this file. Now just tap on Share and select AirDrop. Now over here you will find the name of the Apple device to which you want to share your data. Just select the Apple device from here, and this pop-up will appear over here. Now if it asks you for the permission, you can give it the permission so you could transfer the selected data from your iPhone to the other Apple device. Just like that. Now this was the first method, but there is also another method. But for that, you will need an Apple device which is updated to iOS 17 or later, and it must be an iPhone from iPhone X or later, or the iPhone SE second generation or the third generation. Now for that, just go back to Settings, and under Settings, just open the AirDrop settings. And over here, you will find the option for bringing devices together. Now, just enable this toggle. Now, after you do that, now just select the data which you want to transfer. For an example, I'll select this photo. Now just tap on Share. Now from here, just tap the top of your iPhone with the other iPhone. And after you do that, the selected data will be transferred from your iPhone to the other Apple device. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.